Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your very own Club Supreme number 9 Jersey Mike sub. Okay, where right here I have some wheat bread. That's what we have right here. This is what we're going to be using today. It's going to be a little bit healthier. Alright, so, and you're going to need that. I got that from Jersey Mike. I only paid $1.25 for that. I actually bought 5 loaves, so there you go. Anyway, yep, that's where I got it from. Jersey Mike. Alright, now, they ain't going to sell me the meat, so you have to go to Kroger's and get your meat. So I bought these. This is roast beef, and this is turkey. And if you go check out my other video, I have sliced up some meats and cheese and stuff on using my deli slicer, my BESWOOD deli slicer, and I have sliced up some cheese here. So we're just gonna put that on here as we go. I'm gonna explain it to you as you go. This is Swiss cheese. Get 5 of those. Put it on here a little bit better. Just like that. Now they take some mayo, which I don't have out here. Why, I don't know. So I'm just going to be using some Dukes right here, or Hellmann's, whatever you like. You can use any type of mayo dressing or any type of dressing you want on yours. So that's that on that. We're just going to spread this on here. If you like a little bit more, then you can put a little bit more. The person I'm making this for don't like a lot of mayo, so I'm not going to put a lot on hers. Alright. Now, they have bacon. So I did fry my own bacon. I'm not fried it, but I put mine in the oven. So I have that right here. And I put black pepper on mine. So here's the bacon. You get 4 of those. Just like that. Then you get turkey. Remember, this is the Supreme, so they come back over it again. So it ended up almost being like 14 slices of ham, not ham, but turkey. One more over here, like that. So we're done with that. Now they get roast beef. I think it was 6 of those. Well, no, it was more than 6. It was about 12. So they come back over. And you can put how much you want to put on yours. I'm just trying to make it just like they made theirs. And this, I got this from Kroger. This is Hillshire Farm. And sorry if you hear a bunch of noise. I told you it's no right time for me to make my stuff. Especially when you got neighbors. All right. So what we're gonna go with now is we're gonna come with the onions. All right, and it comes with the lettuce. Now they pile theirs up there on their high. I'm making me a couple of sandwiches, so I ain't gonna do too much to it. There's plenty of lettuce. And this is going to be the Mike's way. So that means we got to put tomatoes on there as well. Real simple recipe. Something for you and your family. Very inexpensive to make and tastes super delicious. So now we got to cover the olive oil and the red wine vinegar. Now I'm going with this one right here. You guys can see that. Oh, this camera always focusing in over here. So we're just gonna put some of that on there. This is the Mike's way. All right. And we're gonna come with some olive oil. Just like that. Then we're gonna come with some oregano. And we're gonna come with some salt. And that's a turkey club, 1-on-1. That's how you make it. So let me go ahead and hook this up and I'll be right back in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. There it is. Your number 9 Club Supreme Jersey Mike style. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please do not forget to, yes right, hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out.